In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find top creators for a product in Kalodata. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Kalodata. In the results, click the official Kalodata website. Make sure the branding and URL look correct so you're accessing the real platform and getting accurate data. Once you're on the site, log into your account. Being signed in ensures you can access the full product insights you'll need for creator discovery and evaluation. From the main dashboard, navigate to the Product tab. This is where you'll search for the item you want to analyze. Use the search bar to enter the exact product name if you have it, or try relevant keywords if you're still exploring. To refine your results, apply advanced filters like category, revenue, or revenue growth rate. Category helps you stay within your niche, while revenue and revenue growth rate can reveal products that are either consistently strong or quickly trending upward. Combine filters thoughtfully to focus on opportunities that match your goals. When the results load, click the product that best matches what you're looking for to open its detailed data page. This page aggregates performance information so you can understand what's working around that product. On the product detail page, scroll down to view the list of creators driving revenue for that specific item. This is the heart of your research. Here, you can see each creator's generated revenue, the number of items sold, and their total follower count. Treat these metrics as a trio. Revenue shows monetary impact, items sold indicates conversion volume, and follower count hints at reach. A creator with moderate followers, but strong revenue, often signals highly effective content and audience alignment. You'll also see the specific videos or live streams that generated sales. Open a few of these to analyze angles, hooks, and formats that performed well. Note elements like the product demonstration style, call to action, and how prominently the product is featured. Look for patterns across top performers to inform your own campaign briefs. When you identify high-performing creators you'd like to work with, head to Kalodata's influencer section to view their contact information, such as email, and reach out for collaboration. Keep your outreach professional and specific. Mention the product, reference the performance you observed, and propose a clear next step. Always follow platform policies and disclose partnerships appropriately. That's the full process. Search, filter, open the product, review creator performance, study winning content, and connect with the best fit creators. Follow these steps, and you'll quickly build a short list of partners who can drive results for your product.